Ready to elevate your bug-out bag setup? Let's delve into the top folding firearms specifically engineered to nestle neatly within your bug-out bag and give you a tactical advantage. So smash that subscribe button and let's embark on the journey of constructing the ultimate survival kit. This unconventional 9mm rifle is meticulously crafted to condense into a discreet package for concealed carry or convenient storage. The pivot is fed by standard Glock 19 magazines and comes with threading to accommodate a sound suppressor. However, that's where the conventional aspects of this firearm end. The patented pivot mechanism, well, it pivots, allowing the upper receiver to swing around the lower receiver with a simple button press. The resulting form factor boasts a 16-inch barrel, yet its collapsed length is a mere 5 inches longer. The practical implications are certainly thought-provoking, largely due to the blend of steel, aluminum, and polymer components. The weapon tips the scales at a mere 5 pounds unloaded. When deployed, the pivot's overall length ranges from 27 to 30 inches, contingent on the adjustable stock's positioning. A style shotgun with a bird's head grip? Yes, indeed. The KHAOS is based on the company's gas-operated KHAOS 12T semi-automatic 8-pattern shotgun. The 12.67-inch barrel is chambered for 2 75-inch and 3-inch shot shells, fed from 5 or 10-round detachable box magazines. A proprietary over-molded bird's head style grip, available in diverse configurations, grants this firearm a legal overall length of 27.21 inches. The KHAOS is equipped with a bead front sight, a V-notch rear sight, and an AR-15 style handguard with M-lock slots to accommodate a range of accessories. This model marks the debut of the company's new one-hand operation action. While most K-type shotguns mandate that the bolt be locked in the open position to insert a fully loaded magazine, this modified action can be reloaded with the bolt closed. This one-handed operation enhancement will also be extended to other Kalashnikov USA 12-gauge platforms. A straightforward new platform is slated to arrive on shelves this summer from North Carolina's veteran-owned Dark Mountain Arms. The Stowaway system is a single-shot, bolt-action takedown firearm, initially presented in 5.7 NATO. However, given its multi-caliber capability via a simple bolt face and barrel swap, future options under consideration include 9mm, 4.6 by 30, 22 long rifle, 22 Winchester Magnum rimfire, and 17 Mach 2 and 17 Hornady Magnum rimfire. A packable design weighing 2.8 pounds for the 16-inch barrel rifle and a flat 2 pounds for the 5-inch barrel pistol. The firearms can be stowed in 2 primary pieces and then readily reassembled. All versions feature a factory-threaded barrel and a top Picatinny rail, making them suppressor and optics ready straight from the box. We can concur that a shotgun offers significant advantages over a pistol, but can it be discreetly carried in a backpack? Turkish firearms manufacturer AXOR Arms has engineered an entire series of folding shotguns. Folding, indeed. It opens up completely. Unlock it by sliding back the rear sight. The front section of the firearm pivots on a screw located at the front of the receiver. Close it by swinging it back into position. This action halves the length, rendering the firearm compact and easily stowed. Loading and unloading the magazine is a breeze, although both actions can still be performed when the firearm is closed. The AXOR shoulders comfortably and points naturally with its 20-inch barrel, facilitating quick and instinctive shots at moving targets. The shotgun's 12-gauge chambering delivers formidable stopping power, making it a potent adversary in close-quarters engagements. The shotgun is also offered in various configurations, Utilize it, push it to its limits, and maximize your investment. All right, so let's discuss the Henry R7 because this item is a serious contender when it comes to survival firearms. And I'm not just saying that because it happens to be my personal preference for this type of scenario. People frequently underestimate its effectiveness. The AR-7 is chambered in .22 long rifle and features a blowback semi-automatic action, allowing for rapid follow-up shots if necessary. The firearm is a joy to shoot and includes two 8-round magazines. 8 rounds is generally sufficient for most situations, but extended magazines are available and reasonably priced. When packed, this thing is diminutive, truly compact. It weighs a mere 3.5 pounds and disassembles into 2 components. You can stow the action, barrel, and 2 magazines directly within the stock, making it exceptionally portable and safeguarding those critical components. The stock is buoyant and constructed from durable polymer, and assembly requires absolutely no tools. Simply snap it together, and you're ready to go. The receiver top features a short rail, but mounting an optic will prevent the firearm from being stored within the stock. Priced at $290, the Henry R7 emerges as a top-tier choice among 22 long rifles for individuals seeking a dependable survival firearm. Keltec broadened its Sub2000 Gen 3 lineup of folding pistol caliber carbines with a fresh model chambered in 5.7 by 28 mm FN. This move aligns them with several other manufacturers in the firearms industry who are contributing to the resurgence of this previously overlooked yet capable pistol cartridge. The new model incorporates Keltec Gen 3 refinements to the Sub2000 platform. Most notably, the addition of a rotating forend that enables the firearm to fold completely even with a mounted optic. Compatible with all FN5 handgun magazines, each Keltec Sub2000 Gen 3 chambered for the 5.7 by 28 mm cartridge is shipped with a single 20-round FN PMag magazine. Black, green, and tan versions of the firearm are available, each measuring 3.45 inches in overall length when deployed with the stock extended. When fully collapsed and folded, the firearm measures 16.15 inches in length. Unloaded, the Sub2000 weighs 4.36 pounds. The 16.15-inch barrel features a 1-in-7 twist rate, and the muzzle is threaded for suppressor use. The suggested retail price for the new Sub2000 Gen 3 in 5.7 by 28 mm FN is $511. Just Right Carbines, a specialist in pistol caliber carbines, has cultivated a dedicated following over the years with their well-crafted long guns. Their 10mm carbine is no exception, and while both the gunmaker's key mod and takedown iterations are solid choices, the latter proves significantly more practical. When disassembled, the carbine becomes a tidy 16-inch long, 6 pounds package, implying it possesses the potential to be your constant companion. Constructed around a monolithic piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, the takedown 10mm exhibits exceptional robustness and near invulnerability to external grit and grime. Naturally, it operates on a simple blowback system, which translates to a somewhat stiff action, slightly slowing down manipulation. However, concurrently, it will reliably cycle through any ammunition you feed it, a desirable trait in a utility carbine. Given its compatibility with Glock magazines, you have ample capacity options at your disposal. Adding to this well-balanced carbine, JRC has incorporated other intriguing features to enhance its versatility across diverse situations. Reversible ejection, a top rail for optic mounting, and standard AR-15 controls. Overall, JRC provides a versatile, do-it-all carbine that remains readily at hand. Behold, the globe's inaugural foldable submachine gun, drawing inspiration from the folding rifle featured in James Bond films. Magpul's folding firearm can compress into a small metallic block resembling a camcorder. It ranks among the lightest submachine guns on the market, weighing in at a mere 1 pound, akin to the weight of an iPad. Built upon a Glock handgun foundation, it integrates an additional grip and stabilizing stop for enhanced steadiness. Moreover, its extended magazine empowers it to unleash 49 rounds in a single burst. It is offered in 2 configurations, the FDC, a larger defense rifle, and the FTP model, a pistol. While equipped with integrated sights, the Magpul also incorporates rails on both flanks for supplementary attachments. The TMW AOS Survival Rifle Series distinguishes itself as a prime selection for a 10mm rifle without emptying your wallet. While it may not be the absolute rock-bottom priced option, it delivers an exceptional combination of features, design, and value that's difficult to surpass. These rifles showcase streamlined aesthetics reminiscent of AR-style rifles, yet possess their own distinctive flair. They adopt certain elements from the AR platform, such as the safety selector placement, receiver extension, pistol grip, and magazine well location. However, they diverge in critical aspects like the charging handle's position, the operating system, the receiver architecture, and naturally, the barrel design. What's particularly ingenious about these rifles is the effortless barrel removal, rendering them ideal for compact takedown and facilitating caliber swaps with relative ease. This adaptability positions them as a superb choice for survival scenarios, rightfully earning them a place on this list. The 10mm caliber delivers substantial stopping power for self-defense, while also proving adequate for hunting medium-sized game such as deer. With appropriate ammunition, it can even serve as a dependable option for bear defense. These rifles employ a standard blowback operating system with a robust bolt to ensure safe operation. While straight blowback isn't renowned for recoil mitigation, the manageable energy of a pistol cartridge means your shoulder won't endure excessive punishment. If you're inclined to diversify, the 10mm variant can be converted to fire 45 ACP with minimal effort or expense. Furthermore, the AOS Survival Rifle Series extends to subgun pistol configurations for those favoring a more compact alternative to a full-size rifle. In summary, it undeniably stands as the premier 10mm option available for under $1,000. You could attempt to assemble a bug-out bag yourself, or you could simply acquire one pre-assembled by professionals. This unique kit encompasses a customized Chiappa 44 Magnum lever action rifle with a 6+1 round capacity, 16.5-inch octagon barrel, stainless chrome finish, walnut buttstock and fore-end, precision rear sight with interchangeable apertures, and fiber optic front sight. You also receive a RAT 70KC survival knife featuring a 7.2-inch carbon steel black powder coated blade and micarta handles, waterproof matches, a magnesium fire starter, a heat stove with hexamine fuel tablets, a tube tent for 2 adults, a scouting compass, and 50 feet of military-grade paracord. Everything is contained within a Cordura padded carry bag with MAL attachment points and a buckled-down closure flap for rapid access.